Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's this next dump? Let's find out in the charts here, shall we? We see that Bitcoin has collapsed absolutely, positively on us. It is like a deadly, deadly move. We're going to talk about, is this the end for Bitcoin and Ethereum? Are they coming back? Will they ever come back? Yes, they will. There's the answer to the question, right? And hit the like button if you like that answer, and hit the subscribe as well, right? Oh man, yes, Bitcoin has had many, many dumps. But we're going to talk about why this dump is very, very different. Why is it so brutal this time around, and so painful this time around? Yes, it's not just because of all the Lunas and FTXs and so forth. All the other cryptos that actually broke down and died. Man, it is a brutal winter for crypto, and it's been very, very painful for every investor out there. Nobody likes bear markets. Bear markets are not fun, right? Everybody wants to see prices going up because everybody's making money during prices are going up. So it's always better to stick around for the bull market, but not for the bear market, because it's very painful. It's sad, and people don't like to be sad, so they want to stay happy, so they stay away from bear markets. Okay, well, we're gonna stick it out because I've been here as an OG. I've been here to many bear markets, and so that's brings me to what is different about this bear market and why it is different. So let's zoom out and go into the weekly, and let's bring this to auto scale right now, and then zoom in. And what you're seeing here, I'm going to say this, right, is that Bitcoin has broken this dashed support line that I had drawn, and I was thinking, yeah, it can hold that line, but it did not. There's another support line right here that's, maybe I should make this a little bit bigger. This is a very critical line here that it's got to hold, right? Let me just put some dashes, maybe. I don't know. No, let's just switch the colors to some bright. It's got to hold that level. This next level for it to really not go to death route. Probably is, right? You can see that the 88.6 is where it's headed. Now, what's interesting is that Bitcoin has never done two things here. Double top. Right? It doesn't do double tops. Bitcoin normally does not do double tops. It always ends in a bang, right? Big bang, blow off top, every single time. Now, the reason why it did not end in the blow off top now is because it's captured by Wall Street. Wall Street has Bitcoin. End of story. And we have to accept that. And so this will trade like a Wall Street asset from now on. And so, like Wall Street assets, anything new on Wall Street, when it goes up like crazy, it will come back down to the 88.6 on average basis for Wall Street assets. Now, and so it's basically a shitcoin. Bitcoin is a shitcoin in Wall Street. And so, yeah, they're going to treat it as such, and they're pushing the price down to such shitcoin levels. So 88.6 looks like the target. Also, another interesting thing that had never happened before in Bitcoin's history is that it's never broken significant. It's never broken below ever its previous all-time high. Never. This time it has broken it, and broken it heavy, and we can see that it wants to go to the 88.6. Kind of sucks, but hey, you know what? You're in a buying zone right now. It's a clear buying zone. The 88.6 is a clear absolute. Okay, I gotta hit that. That buy. I really thought that this was a takeoff, and here's why. Let's just go back to a chart. You can see the Bollinger Bands tightened on the daily. We broke out on the Bollinger Bands, but what I didn't notice is that we didn't break out on the 3-day. The 3-day was still tightening. This was the level to the 23,000 was the clear and absolute area to be concerned yourself to say, yes, this is a reversal. We didn't hit that, and that's where we were. That's what happened. We did create W's, nice 3-day W's and stuff like that, but hey, you know what? W's do not always play out in bear markets, so that's the problem. And so what happened is we hit a bull market, and we hit it hard, and so we are bear market, and so we hit this bear market so hard, and now we have to trade that as is, because that's how we make money here is trade. And if you're interested in trading, you could actually get $30,000 at Bybit. Did you hear me? $30,000 at Bybit. Bybit.davincij15.com. That's right. Bybit.davincij15.com is giving away $30,000 deposit bonus for new signups right now. Okay, so the only way to trade this right now is at the lower time frames. You cannot trade this because it's moving too fast. And you can trade this at the lower time frames to scalp it as it trades up and down like a whore's drawers. And so there will be, like right now, the consolidation, because here you can see with the daily, the Bollinger Band daily out way outside the Bollinger Band. This has to expand out and catch up before Bitcoin can go further lower. It's not impossible for it to extend continue extending outside the Bollinger Band very quickly. Just it's lower probability. But it can happen. It can happen. So for tomorrow, after today's close, right, this will catch up quite significantly to the Bollinger Band. And then it could continue down and continue staying outside the band for a while. But most likely we'll consolidate here. We will see Bitcoin consolidate a little bit here, right? And then boom, and the next leg down. So we might go a little bit higher, come up to the closer to the 13 EMA, and then goodbye. So sad. Wouldn't want to be you. And that's that. So that's one way to trade this. So you could either trade it waiting for the daily to get really close to the 13 EMA and then hit the short, or you can zoom in, right, and find the shorts that way. Oops. So yeah, let's just zoom in and see if we can find any short or long position at the lower time frames. As it stands right now, there's a breakout from this W here, which not the best W to take, but you know it did work out. You can see what we had a target. Yeah, just right above here. Yeah, let's draw out the target. Let's make sure. But it looks like this target from the W is complete. And yeah, it is almost complete. Yeah, that's right. So if we get back up close to the $17,000 area, this will complete the what's it called? The target of that W, if it does complete, because you know the W's are not valid and always valid, that much valid in a bear market. It's the M's that you need to concern yourself with in a bear market. Okay, looks like I'm leaving on the 13th. I thought I was leaving on the 14th for some reason for Malta, but yes, it will be on the 13th I will be in Malta. I'll be flying out in the morning on Sunday morning, and I'll be there Sunday. And yes, it'll be fun. I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys join me there on the Ethereum and see what it's doing. You know what we haven't done yet on Ethereum, and I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to clean this up a little bit because we broke. I'm just set this. We broke this trend line here. So that's that. Ethereum, it's doomsday. Going to doomsday, and now does that mean it's never coming back? No, that's somebody actually sent me a message, asked me, is Ethereum dead? Right? They actually asked me that. Now that the prices are going lower, is it dying? And I'm like, no, it's not going anywhere. Shitcoin status level, I thought so. 88.6. This is a shitcoin. This is held by the what's it called, institutions. But the interesting thing is, right? There is no double top. Well, I guess you could call this a double top, but it's not. I don't think so. This is right, straight up, straight down. This is we haven't even gotten to capitulation yet. This is a capitulation. The capitulation will be here at $600, unfortunately. And yeah, we have to accept that, and then we're gonna sit there for quite some time. At least Ethereum will break out of this dungeon down at 600 well before, most likely before September, and then off the races we go. Back above, back to $2,000 at the very least in a year from now. So yeah, I see that happening because Ethereum's supply is significantly reduced. So I don't see them being able to suppress it all that much, since the supply is reducing, not continuing to expand. So looking forward to that. Looking forward to Ethereum doing very, very, very well. Ah, boy, Dominance, interesting. Dominance dropped quite a bit, so a lot of alts outperformed Bitcoin in this dump. And if we break through, we could see, if we break through the 40% level, we could see a altcoin rally of epic proportion. But I don't think it's the right season. I don't think it's the right time for that. I think we stay above the 40%. And then maybe in the February, March timeframe, when Bitcoin probably turns around, boom, boom, boom. That's what I think is going to happen. All right. Well, thank you all for watching. Thanks for being here. I hope you enjoyed today's show and watched all the way to the end. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. And also, remember, Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it, because even though it's low, it's still going to go higher.